Hello, this is Michelle with Mark and Michelle, and this video is going to be showing you how to add annotations to your YouTube videos. And again, those are the words that pop up on your videos that are clickable, and you can send people to your capture page for your business, or capture page for a resource guide you're giving away, whatever you want to do. So I'm going to show you how to do that. First, we need to log into our YouTube channel, and we're going to log into the one that we just created in a previous video. And we're going to go to Creator Studio up here, Creator Studio. We're going to go to Channel and then Advanced. Now, in order to do that, we need to associate a link with our YouTube channel. That way it would be clickable in the annotations. It's a little process to go through that, and you need to be able to have access to our own, let's say, a domain name. So one of our domain names that we use is growwithmnm.info, and we buy that through GoDaddy. And so through GoDaddy, I'm able to and I'll show you the process, but I'm able to go ahead and do what I need to do to verify that we own that site so we can actually make it clickable in our annotations. I'm going to show you how to do that using GoDaddy because that's what we use. So under associated link here, we're going to click on Learn More, and then we're going to click on Associate your site with your YouTube account. And then we're going to click on Search Console right here, Search Console. Typically, it's going to ask you to log again into the YouTube channel that you're going to use to associate the link with, but because I had just done it recently, it's not going to ask me that right now. But we are going to put in the URL for the link that we want to take them to. And I've pulled it up here just so I can just copy and paste the URL into there so that I don't make a mistake in typing in the URL. All right, and we're going to click on Add Property. Now it's going to go through, and you can use two different methods to verify that you have access to that website. And my favorite one, though, is doing this verification, adding a link in GoDaddy, and YouTube will verify it. So we would use GoDaddy, and I'll show you how to do it, but first we need to collect this entire code right here. So we're going to copy that code. We're going to go over to GoDaddy, and we're going to go to the specific URL, so growwithmnm.info, and we're going to click on DNS zone file. This may sound complicated. Go through the video a couple times, you'll get it down. I've done this so many times. So then we're going to click on Add Record. We're going to choose Text. Now the host, if we were to use just the straight URL growwithmnm.info, we would put the @ sign there. But we're not. I use a subdomain. And so what the subdomain is for our blog. Okay, that's the first part of the domain. So just like up here, for our blog .growwithmnm.info. So we're going to put for our blog, and then here we're going to paste in that code we grabbed. That code we grabbed right here, we're going to paste it in right there. And then we're going to click Finish. And then nothing's going to change until we click Save Changes. So now what we can do is we can go back to this site here, the Search Console in Google, and where we grab that code, and we can go to the bottom here, and it says Verify. And it verified that we now have ownership of for our blog .growwithmnm.info.com. So now we can go ahead and create those annotations. What I had done was I downloaded the video that I had made previously about creating the YouTube channel. And so I'm going to pull that up. I'm going to go to the Video Manager. And under the Edit here, we're going to go down to Annotations. Actually, scratch that. I'm so sorry. I thought I missed a step. Okay. In Creator Studio, we're going to go back down to Channel, and we're going to go to Advanced, and down here where it says your associated site, now we are going to not paste in that code. We're going to put our URL that we just verified. So was that 4-hour blog, growwithmnm.info, and it's going to add it to the YouTube channel. So now we can go to the video that I had uploaded, the training video. So let's go to my channel and then video manager, and we'll get to that video, and then we can click here and go down to annotations. Hello, this is Michelle. We're going to enable. Sometimes it will have this on top of the account, enable your account for external annotation links. We're going to click enable. All right, and we're going to click agree. Okay, so now this gets really simple. So let's say I want to add growwithmnm.info at the beginning of the video so that it tells people that I am associated with growwithmnm.info, but I'm not going to make it clickable. I don't need to make it clickable. I just basically want to brand the video so that nobody can steal the video later and use it as their own. If I brand with growwithmnm.info on there, then they'll be directed to my link no matter who steals it. So we're going to click add annotation, and I like to add the note. But again, you can use a speech bubble, the title, spotlight, or label, but I'm just going to do a note, and then I'm going to grow with mnm.info. Okay, you see it up here. I like to make it stand out a little bit, so I am going to encase it in a different color. And you can move it around and put it wherever you want to, but the top left corner here is the best place to place it because other things don't pop, other things pop up over here and over here and over here, but nobody pops up here. So I like to leave my annotations there. So we're going to say we want it to start at the first second of the video and where we want it to end. So we want it to, let's say we want it to end at the 22-second mark. We're going to apply the changes. And if you want to enlarge or shrink, you can either drag and it will enlarge or shrink normally, or you can use this custom font here. All right, so we're going to save, apply changes. Now we want to make the clickable annotation. All right, and so just for this example, I have forwarded 4-hour blog.growwithmnm.info to a capture page I created for one of my resources that I give away. In this case, it was a free infographic. So I want to add an annotation at the end, maybe the last 40 seconds or so, that says, hey, go grab the resource guide. So now we're going to add another annotation, and again, I like to use the note, and I'll say grab your free infographic 48 incredible tools for your business. That's the name of the resource guide. Okay, and then again, I'm going to encase it, and this is where I'm going to enlarge it. Okay, and I don't want it at the beginning. It's at the beginning right now. See, I don't want it there. I want it at the end. So I'm going to say I want it, let's see, the video is 7 minutes and 7 seconds. I want it to start at 6 minutes and 35 seconds. Okay, and then I want it to end at the end of the video. So I'm going to say 7, and it will usually automatically complete the rest of it. Okay, so this is where we make it clickable. We click link here, and we're going to choose our associated website. And then we're just going to paste in that URL of the website. All right. And sometimes it says that. Please enter a valid URL. Let's try it again. And then we're going to apply changes. And as you see, it jumped from over here to over here. So let's test it out and see if it's clickable. We're going to go back to the video manager. And we're just going to click on the video. And we see
Hello, this is Michelle with Mark and Michelle, and today's video is going to be about creating a YouTube channel and verifying that.
Let's see if it'll pop up at the end of this video.
Can I get that code, please?
We got a few seconds to go. And there it is. But because it said I had a problem with the link, it's not going to be clickable. So let's go back and fix it. We'll go back to the video manager. We'll go back to the annotations. The video will automatically play for some reason, so we'll click pause. We're going to edit an existing annotation, and we're going to choose that one. All right, we're going to do the link, associated website, and let's paste there. Okay, so when it says preview link, then it's good, nothing's wrong, it's great. So apply changes. We will go back again and view the video. Again, that pops
Hello,
up.
this is Michelle with Mark and Michelle, and today's video is going to
see if it will pop up. There it is. And this little arrow here means it's clickable. So let's go ahead and click it. And it takes it right to the URL that I want it to take us to. So there you go. Maybe a little confusing. There's a lot of steps to it, but once you watch this video a couple times, you'll get it down. And once you've done this several times, you've got it completely down. No problem. All right. So I'll see you on the next training video. Have a great rest of your day.